Markeita with Bank of America. Why I always try to get her exposure is because how many of you in the audience have done a 203K loan? Just a few of you. A remarkable program. It's the only program on the planet that allows you to buy a house that has just one wall left and actually get a full loan on it. And if you don't have this off, especially now where people are driving their cars through a house before they get kicked out, you know, seen that? So anyway, take us in a few minutes, if you can give us a briefing on this program and how it works and how it helps to recover, restore, and bring back our housing market and create jobs.
Great. The 203K is so exciting to me because it allows a client or buyer to purchase a property and include the funds to fix up the property. Now, I just brought a few pictures today, so I'll have him fly through these. This was a house that looks gorgeous on the outside, but when the agent took over this property, show what the inside looked like. They estimated that they did $150,000 worth of damage to this property. There was a stopper in the tub. They turned on the water. The water had been flowing who knows how long. And it buckled the hardwood floor 6 inches. They estimated that they took 40 paint cans, threw it up against the wall, into the fireplace. And for the average homeowner, they're not going to be able to buy this kind of property. Who's going to buy this kind of property? Generally, it's investors, right? So just fly through those pictures really quick, and I'll show you the before and afters. So as an agent, your responsibility is to show what the property can be, and it's so hard when you're walking into a property that looks like the earlier pictures, but this is what it became afterwards. Gorgeous. Just go ahead and, there's the kitchen and the after improved kitchen. So the 203K, there's a lot of bad information out there about what you can do with the 203K. I've heard that the max amount of work that you can do on a property is $35,000, and there is the program, the 203K Streamline, that's only $35,000. However, we can lend on any property in any condition as long as the repairs are included in the loan. It could be $500,000 worth of work, as long as the repairs are included in the loan and as long as the loan limits in your area are met. So in San Diego County, the single-family residence loan limit is $697,500. So the amount of buyers that you can open up your pool of buyers to those that could afford up to $697,500 is a huge opportunity. And it goes all the way up to $1,341,000 on a 4-unit property. There's opportunity for someone to buy a 4-unit property, live in one of the units, and use the rents from the other 3 to help them qualify with as little as 3.5% down. So I think one of the things that they wanted me to address is, why aren't people using this more? It's so underutilized. And I think the biggest reason is fear and lack of education. I personally have been doing 203Ks for 10 years now, and I get excited about how people are excited about this new program, the 203K, that's been around since the 60s. But it's such a viable option for where we are at today with the housing stock the way it is. How often have you walked into properties where it's missing the kitchen, where we've heard of challenges with cement being poured down the plumbing systems and copper being stolen, and this is the option to make homeownership affordable for your buyers right now in this market.